Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 7.1 in coordinate geometry. Question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the point P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 unit. So let us start. The distance of given point distance is equal to 10 unit, and point P 2 comma minus 3 and Q point 10 comma y. So x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to minus 3, and also x2 is equal to 10, y2 is equal to y. So now distance formula PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now this value put here, x2 10, x1 2 square plus y2 y minus 3 whole square of square root, and PQ also distance PQ. So 10 units, so 10. Squaring both sides. Squaring both side. So square of 10 is equal to 10 minus 2 square plus y plus 3 square. So 100 is equal to 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. So now 100 is equal to 8 square 64, and a plus b y plus 3 whole square. So formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now y plus 3, so y square plus 3 square plus 2 times of y into 3. So 100 is equal to 64 plus y square plus 9 plus 3 to 6 y. So now 64, so 64 plus 9, 64 plus 9 and 9 73, and y square plus 6y. So now arrange this. Y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 64. So 100. So 100 is equal to 0. So y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Now factorization. 27, 9 into 3, 9 minus 3, 6. So y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y common out, y plus 9 minus 3, y plus 9 is equal to 0. So y plus 9 and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y plus 9 is equal to 0, y minus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and y is equal to minus 9. So y is equal to minus 9 and 3. So this is answer of given equation. So now question number 10. So find a relation between x and y. Show such that the point is equidistance from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Solution of this question: find the relation between x and y such that the point is equidistant from the given point. So now let point P x comma y. So equidistance from point A and point B. So point A 3, 6 and point B minus 3, 4. So now distance of PA. So point P x comma y and A 3, 6. So x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y, and x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 6. So PA is equal to x2 minus x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का होल स्क्वायर. So now these value put here: x2 3 minus x1 x whole square plus y2 minus y1 6 minus y whole square. So now this a minus b का whole square. So p a is equal to square plus x square minus 2 times of 3 into x plus 6 square plus y square minus 2 times of 6 into y. So now calculate these value: 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 36 plus y square minus 12y. So and arrange this: 9 plus 36 45 and minus 6x and minus 12y plus x square plus y square. So this is value of PA. And also find distance of PB. So point P x comma y and B point minus 3, 4. So x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y and x2 is equal to -3, y2 is equal to 4. So now PB is equal to, by distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now x2 minus 3 and x1 x whole square plus y2 4 minus y whole square. So arrange this minus square, minus common out, minus square यानी प्लस, यानी 3 plus x whole square plus 4 minus y, 4 minus y whole square. So now calculate these value of PB is equal to, show x plus a plus b whole square, so 3 square plus x square plus 2 times of 3 into x plus also 4 minus y 4 square plus y square minus 2 times of 4 into y, and also calculate these value 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 16 plus y square minus 8y, and arrange this value. So PB, so 9 plus 16 25 plus x square, so 6x minus 8y plus x square plus y square. So according to question, since according to question, so PA is equal to PB. Now put value, put here. So PA 45 minus 6x 12y plus x square plus y square. So square root, so value of PA, and similarly value of PB 25 plus 6x minus 8y plus x square plus y square. So now calculate these equation, we get, show squaring both side. So 45 minus 6x minus 12y plus x square plus y square, and also 25 plus 6x minus 8y plus x square plus y square. So x square positive, and also right here side x square positive, so cancel out, and similarly y square cancel out. So rest variable 45 minus 6x minus 12y is equal to 25 plus 6x minus 8y. So arrange minus 6x minus 12, 6x minus 6x, and also 12y plus 8y, and plus 45 minus 25 is equal to 0. So 6x minus minus, so minus 12x, and also minus 4y plus 20, so is equal to 0. So divided by 4, so minus 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So multiply by negative sign both side, we get 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So or this is answer of given equation. That's all.